Hi, everybody. This is Stan Slaughter of Missouri Organic Recycling and the Climate-Friendly Yard Makeover. Part of transforming your yard is making a plan. An accurate map or drawing of your plot can be of real value as a starting point. From this basic map, you can make copies that help you think about colors of plants, how much plants will spread as they grow, subsequent plantings, and many other considerations. At the Seeds of Life Garden, we have already got some plantings in place, so our next layer needs to integrate the following year's plantings. Even if you do this with your computer and some good software, you need to record the data from the site. We started by putting colored flags at 25, 50, 75, and 100 feet down the middle of the lot. Then we used that center line to measure from and located the berms, the pathways, and the major trees. The more data points you collect, the more detailed and accurate your map will be. From this diagram, we plant additional plantings to fill in the open spaces, keep track of what we've already planted, and increase the diversity of plants as we go. We're hiring Will Gibson of Down to Earth Services to help us with the fine details and help us get that professional look. However you decide to tackle your project, keeping good records and mapping your area is a key first step. This video series from deeproots.org will really help as guide you through all the stages of planning your successful native plant project. Good luck!